In our video today, let's talk about the stock market, how it works, why the price of stocks goes up and down, can I invest money here, how can I make money here, how to invest in the Philippine stock market, and above all, it is possible, can you get rich here? We will answer all those questions, but before we start, just a disclaimer that the purpose of this video is to share information about the stock market, and the examples that we will use should not be used as a basis for your investment decisions. It's good to consult a legit financial advisor, so get your paper and pen ready, so you can list the important lessons, and make sure you watch the whole video because I'm sure you'll learn a lot, so we won't waste any more time and we'll start right away to explore the stock market. Part 1. The difference between primary market and secondary market. In each market there are people who sell and there are people who buy. Just like the market, there are people who sell fish, vegetables, fruits, meat, and so on, and there are people who want to buy those products to get their needs. In the financial market it's the same, but instead of vegetables and fruits they sell what are called securities. One of the examples of securities is stocks or shares. Stocks are used by companies to raise large capital. For example, in ABC Incorporation is a private company. They wants to expand their business, and to accomplish this, they needs a lot of capital, so what they did is they have translated as a private company to a public company. This is what is called that IPO, or initial public offering. Then they can issue stocks and offers it to their potential investors such as hedge funds, insurance companies, investment banks, and others. This is called the primary market. In the primary market, only large investors can invest and there is no individual yet. In case ABC Incorporation needs 10 million capital for expanding their business and the value of their stocks is 10 pesos each, he needs to issue and sell 1 million stocks to his first investors. Once they have been sold investors the 1 million stocks or shares of ABC Incorporation, he will use the money raised to do further studies to make their product even better and more advanced, and hire skilled people to make the operation of the company faster and more productive their business. When ABC Incorporation's plan becomes successful and his business becomes profitable, the percentage of his earnings will be given to their investors. The income that investors receive is called dividend. The secondary market. This is what we call the stock market, and it is the only one here in the Philippines, the Philippine Stock Exchange. In the stock market, investors trade stocks here and the company is no longer involved. For example, if you bought stock in ABC Incorporation, no money was added to their capital, because the stocks you bought came from the first investors, and not from the company. If in the primary market it is between the company and investors, in the secondary market or in the stock market it is the same investors, those who trade or buy and sell their stocks. For example, if you buy stocks of Jollibee, that stock is from other investors and not from Jollibee, and vice versa. If you sell Jollibee stocks, other investors will buy those stocks. Maybe you are clear about the difference between the primary market.